Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all have done your notebook work of the chapter 8, editing a worksheet. And please send me your notebook work on my WhatsApp group, on my WhatsApp, so that I can recognize those students who have done the work and those who haven't done the work. It's compulsory for everyone to send the work on my WhatsApp. Now today we are going to start the chapter 8, that is using mail merge. Firstly, what is the mail merge? What is the mail merge? When you send your letter to many persons, then you have to write down the letters again and again. And you have to write down the name and the address of the each person that is to be printed on the top. And it is a time consuming process whenever you are writing the name and address of the each recipients on the envelope. It will be very difficult for you. It will be wastage of time and efforts when you are writing again and again the name and the address of each and every person on the envelope, on the on any applications or on any letter. For example, if you want to send your birthday card to your friends, then you have to write down the same lines to everyone, and you have to change the name and the address that will be printed on the top of the page. But mail merge is an option in which you can make a table of each and every person's name and address, and you can merge this table with your one document. अब अगर आपने एक लेटर लिख दिया, suppose you have write that letter in the MS Word, and you have write the names and the address of your all the friends in a table, then you can merge that table with your document, and it will take the name and the address one by one from the table, and that letter will be printed with the different name and address clearly. So this is the main purpose of the mail merge. सिंपल वर्ड्स में अगर मैं कहूँ कि अगर आपने एक लेटर बनाया, उस लेटर के अंदर अगर आपने नेम एंड एड्रेस चेंज करना है, तो आपने 10 फ्रेंड्स को अपना इनविटेशन कार्ड सेंड करना है, तो 10 times you have to write down the name and address, and you will do the copy and paste of the text document each and every time. आपको 7 and 8 files बनानी पड़ेंगी, but with the mail merge you will create one document, and the name and address will picked automatically from a table that is known as the data source, and that will combine with your text document with your mail merge options, and that will be very easy for you. So I am sending the practical of this sessions. The same topic was in the class 10th, that is how we can use the mail merge. That was the simple topic, and I am sending you the video of that. I am merging the video of the class 10th with your class, so you can see that how we can use the mail merge option to create a document with the different name and addresses. So let's come with me for the practical session of the mail merge feature. For using these features, you will click on the tab that is the mailing tab. You can see here. Now first of all, when you want to use the mail merge feature, you will click on this mailing tab. You can see this mailing tab that is next to the reference. Whenever you will click on this mailing tab, you can see start mail merge group here. Click on this start mail merge, and we want to send the letters, then click on this letters. As you will click on these letters, we will not go on this letter, we will go on this step, that is step by step mail merge wizard. Whenever you will click on this step by step mail merge wizard, you can see a mail merge pane at the right hand side of the screen. That this is the mail merge pane. At the last of this mail merge pane, there are some steps steps 1 of 6. There are 6 steps to create this. There are 6 steps for using this mail merge option. We will click on this first step, that is the next starting the document. How we can start a document? Which type of document are you working on? We are working on this letters. Now I am clicking on this starting document. Clicking on this starting document. When you will click on this starting document, then you can see that some changes in this pane, that is select starting document. Here we will select starting document. We will use the current document clearly. Then you will click on this current document. Next is select the recipient. So you will click on this select the recipients. अब हमें यहाँ पर recipients डालने हैं, तो उसके लिए हमें लिस्ट तैयार करनी है. I am clicking on this select the recipient, but I have not made the table here anywhere. You can make a table in MS Excel and you can also use that table here also. But I have not made any table. Use an existing table, select from Outlook contact. Here type a new list. I want to type a new list. Click on this, type a new list. Then click on this create. As you will click on this create, a dialog box, that is new address list dialog box, is here. And in this new dialog box, list appears on the screen, and click on this customize columns. You will click on this customize columns. In this customize columns, you can select the field names. जो भी आपको टेबल क्रिएट करनी है उसकी क्या क्या fields आप रखना चाहते हो. For examples, you want to add the name, address, city and state. Only 4 fields you want to here. Title, I don't want title, and delete. I am deleting. Yes. Next, first name. Yes, first name, but I am giving only here name. Select this first name and click on this rename, and it will be name. NAME. Click on OK. Clear? Last name मुझे नहीं चाहिए, delete. Yes. कंपनी नेम नहीं चाहिए, डिलीट. यस. एड्रेस लाइन 1 चाहिए बट ओनली एड्रेस. रीनेम. आई एम रीनेम हेयर. लाइन 1 नहीं चाहिए, आई एम डिलीटिंग हेयर. एड्रेस. ओके. एड्रेस लाइन 2 डिलीट. सिटी स्टेट आपको चाहिए, जिप कोड डिलीट. यस. कंट्री एंड रीजन डिलीट. यस, आई एम डिलीटिंग अदर्स. Work phone delete. Email address delete. Yes. Now I want to have only these 4 fields in my address list, and then I'm clicking on this OK. Now you can see here in your new address list there are only 4 columns, that is name, address, city and the states, like this. Clear? Now you want to add some records in it. Click on new entry button. सॉरी, नॉट इन न्यू एंट्री. न्यू एंट्री तो जब होगी, यहाँ पे आप अपना नेम के नीचे वाले सेल्स पे जाइए. क्लिक ऑन हेयर एंड यू कैन एंटर अ नेम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल राजू. टैब. एड्रेस क्या है, ए ब्लॉक. सिटी सिरसा. स्टेट हरियाणा. नेक्स्ट पे जाना है, न्यू एंट्री पे क्लिक करो. नेक्स्ट पे आ गए आप. राहुल. tab whatever you want to write here. हुड्डा. सिरसा हरियाणा. सॉरी, तब में हरियाणा. नेक्स्ट न्यू एंट्री Shreya, Shreya Barnala, Sirsa, Haryana. So I entered the 3 records here and I am clicking on this OK. Whenever you will click it on OK, it will ask for saving this address list. OK. Now this save address list dialog box is appeared here. You can save this file name, that is address नाम से I am saving it, address, address, and its save type is Microsoft Office address list. Clearly I am saving it in documents. You can see libraries, documents, and the path of saving is library and document, and then click on this save. Now it is showing you 3 data source. उसका नेम मैंने एड्रेस दिया था. जो डेटा सोर्स हम बनाते हैं उसकी फाइल एक्सटेंशन क्या होती है, डेट इज MDB. इट इज शोइंग MDB हेयर. नेम में राजू, राहुल, श्रेया, सिटी इज दिस, हरियाणा दिस, एंड एड्रेस दिस. अगर आपको कोई एड्रेस नहीं चाहिए अपने डेटा सोर्स में तो आप इसको यहाँ से अनक्लिक भी कर सकते हो. बट आई वॉन्ट ऑल दिस, देन आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑल दिस. क्लियरली नाउ क्लिक ऑन दिस ओके. नाउ योर दिस फाइल इज saved here. तो वी हैव डन द फर्स्ट स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप में हमने क्या किया था, मेल मर्ज फीचर को ऑन किया था और उसके बाद हमने इसमें एक लिस्ट तैयार की है. नेक्स्ट इज राइट योर लेटर. क्लिक ऑन दिस, राइट योर लेटर. Now I am writing a letter. Hello friends. Hey, hello. My dear friend. My dear friend. यहाँ मैंने गैप छोड़ रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पर उसका नेम डालना चाहती हूँ. My dear friend, this I am inviting you to my birthday party on 31st October at Royal Plaza. Thank you. This I am deleting. यहाँ पर मैं उनका नेम, एड्रेस, आई वॉन्ट टू इंसर्ट ऑल दिस थिंग्स हेयर. So I am placing my cursor here, selecting the mailing tab again, and I am going on into the insert mail field. Here you can see your insert mail field. यहाँ मुझे नेम डालना है. नेम, एक मुझे नेम यहाँ भी डालना था तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये यहाँ से इंसर्ट कर देगा नेम. यू कैन सी हियर. नेम के बाद एड्रेस. नेक्स्ट लाइन में इंसर्ट मर्ज फील्ड सिटी, एंड स्टेट. अब यहाँ पे now these all are inserted here. Now is it okay? अब मैं यहाँ से एक सेकेंड, I am removing the gap. Now I am selecting all the document. Underline हटा रही हूँ मैं यहाँ से. Sorry. Now this is my document and I want to this invitation cards to all my friends, to all my 3 friends जो डेटा सोर्स के अंदर मैंने जिनकी टेबल क्रिएट की थी. तो हाउ यू कैन मर्ज द सेल्स हेयर, हाउ यू कैन इंसर्ट द रियल वैल्यूज ऑफ योर हेयर. Firstly, now you can check whether the Microsoft has picked the data source according to your merge fields or not. How you can see it here? Mailing, click on this mailing tab and there preview result. और यहाँ पे ये record names दिखा रहा है 1 like this, record 2, record 3. इंसर्ट मर्ज फिल हम कर चुके हैं लाइक दिस. क्लियर? अब हाउ यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस प्रीव्यू रिजल्ट. देखिए मेरे यहाँ पे 3rd रिकॉर्ड selected था. एज आई क्लिक ऑन दिस प्रीव्यू रिजल्ट इट हैज़ चेंज द लिस्ट विद द नेम, एड्रेस, सिटी एंड स्टेट. हरियाणा लिखा है मैंने, इट इज़ हरियाणा. नाउ आई एम मूविंग द सेकेंड रिकॉर्ड हेयर. नेम इज ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज. फर्स्ट, second and the third. This is how you can merge your data in your invitation card या in your Microsoft document. And now how you can print this merge letter. मैंने first name आ गया, इसको just मुझे print करना है. How you will click on this mailing tab पर ही जाओगे आप. Clear? As you will click on this, now click on this finish and the merge here. Now go on this print document. As you will click on this print document, आप यहाँ पे प्रिंट कर लोगे क्लियरली. नेक्स्ट फिर मुझे सेकेंड रिकॉर्ड चाहिए, यहाँ से सेकेंड रिकॉर्ड चेंज किया. देन अगेन क्लिक ऑन दिस फिनिश एंड मर्ज and then click on this print document. By this method you can print the same document with the different addresses. This is the method of your mail merge option. So this is all about of your mail merge options. I hope you all will do the practical of this, and it is very easy and very useful for us to send the same letter to the different persons by making a records of each and every information about that persons, about your friends. So this is all about your mail merge options. Please do the practical of this. Thank you and have a nice day. I will also send the question answers of this unit to you. Maybe today evening I will send, otherwise tomorrow I will surely send the question answer related to your this unit digital documentation. Thank you and have a nice day.